Dropshipping has once again changed this week, and to have any chance at making $10,000 a month dropshipping going into 2024, you're going to have to start doing this. The first thing you'll need to do is understand how to pick products to test. So many of you waste your money on ads because you're testing random products blindly. In my free course, I break it down in extreme detail how to pick products to test to minimize your risk as much as possible. I also like to use Zendrop's trendy products feature. This feature aggregates data on what is selling right now that you can use to your advantage to launch your next winning product. The second thing you'll need to start doing is understanding how to actually create a branded Shopify store. It doesn't matter how great of a product you found, if your store doesn't convey trust, then nobody's going to buy from you. I also break this down in detail in my free course, or you can save time and have my team design your store for you by using the first link in my profile. Finally, you need to understand how to create direct response ads to drive traffic to your store. My best advice here is to learn the AIDA copywriting principles and to also look at your top competitors' ads to analyze and understand why those specific ads are working. Now, if you want my free Facebook and TikTok ads checklist, simply comment the word checklist below and I'll send it right over to you. I also have a 100% free course that covers all of these topics in extreme detail. So if you're interested in checking that out, make sure to do so by using the first link in my profile. And again, I hope to see you all inside.